Ever wonder how sunlight gets turned into electricity? Behind every solar panel is a high-tech factory filled with mind-blowing machines that transform sand into clean energy miracles. Step inside a solar panel factory, and you're not just entering a warehouse, you're stepping into the future of sustainable power. It all begins with something surprisingly simple: purified silicon, originally derived from sand. Giant furnaces heat this raw material to extreme temperatures, melting it down to create flawless silicon ingots. Next, massive slicing machines take over, cutting those ingots into ultra-thin wafers as precisely as slicing sheets of paper, with diamond-coated wire spinning at blinding speed. These wafers are then cleaned, polished, and treated with a chemical bath to improve their ability to absorb sunlight. Now comes the magic. Advanced robotic arms place each wafer onto conveyor lines, where machines layer them with ultra-thin photovoltaic coatings using vapor deposition technology. These layers are what give the solar cells their power to convert sunlight into electricity. The factory then assembles the cells into full panels. Robotic hands solder them together, align them perfectly, and encapsulate them in a protective glass sandwich. Each panel goes through automated testing machines that simulate sunlight, measuring efficiency with pinpoint accuracy. Finally, laser markers engrave data onto each panel, and robotic cranes carefully stack and wrap them for shipment, all without a single human hand ever touching the product. These futuristic machines don't just build solar panels, they're building a cleaner, greener planet one cell at a time. So the next time you see a rooftop glistening under the sun, remember, behind that glow is an entire army of machines, quietly shaping the future of energy. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.